In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change profile name on Google Chrome. Tutorial. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the upper right corner of the window. You will see your profile icon there. This is the area that gives you access to your Chrome profile and account settings. Go ahead and click that profile icon. After you click it, a small menu will appear. In that menu, select Manage Google Account. This will open your Google account settings, where you can control personal details connected to your account. When the Google account page loads, look for the Personal Info section. Click on Personal Info to continue. This area contains the basic information associated with your Google account, including your name and other profile details. Inside the Personal Info section, find the Name option and click on it. This is where you can view and update the name currently attached to your Google account. Once you open it, you can enter the name you want to use. After you make the change, Google will usually save and apply it to your account. That covers everything you need to know.